Hello all, I am Gitika Sharma, founder of Parivartan Ek Sankalp. In this video, let's know more about preschooling for our little munchkins. So, what is a preschool? Exactly what is the definition of a preschool? Preschool hota kya hai? So, it is defined as a nursery school, pre-primary school or play school. So all these are the similar terms to be considered in explaining a preschool. And yes, some preschools also have daycare facilities in them. So it is the most important educational establishment, or you can say a learning space that offers early childhood education, which is very important and compulsory in our little kids nowadays before making them ready for their formal school. Next, what is the appropriate age of preschool? So there is no specific age as such considered to enroll in a preschool. But yes, 6 months majorly is considered as the starting or initial age of enrolling into a preschool till the age of maximum 5 years. That is playgroup, pre-nursery, nursery and LKG. Now, what is the importance and role of a preschool in a parent's life and also in a child's early educational years? So first, learn problem solving. Second, learn to explore and express. Third, learn to respect and be respectful. Fourth, social and emotional development. Fifth, build self-confidence, which is very important in this era of competition. And last but not the least, understanding the concept and culture of school, including manners, discipline, teacher-student relationship, peer friendship concept, and language skills. Now, how and when you know that your little kid is ready to go to a preschool, which is preschool readiness. So first, again, language development. Second, approaches toward learning. Third, have basic self-care skills. Fourth, they are or aren't potty trained, so do not worry about this. Fifth, they can follow simple instructions like sit down, come in. Then last, able to express his or her needs or wants. Now, the most important things to be considered in selecting a preschool. Check for the hygiene. So this is very important after the COVID times nowadays. Second is check environment of the school. Third, engaging activities. How much are the activities like engagement they gain for a child? Then pretend play exposure. How much is the practical or pretend play exposure at that particular preschool? Learning. How is the learning? Is it fun learning, practical learning, or just the old school boring learning? And last and the most important is the curriculum, obviously. What is the curriculum of a preschool? Is it UK based curriculum or is it Montessori based curriculum? Don't get confused about them. If you want to know more about UK based curriculum and Montessori based curriculum, you can go and check my short videos on them specifically, individually, to know more. And still you have any questions? Then please, I am here to help you. DM to know more.